So S suffix f minus S suffix I equal to. So here we have log base e. So base e convert into base 10, then we get 2.3026 into C suffix v into log t f by t I base 10 plus capital R into log v f by v I base 10. This is the entropy change value. So entropy depends upon temperature and value. Temperature or entropy in terms of temperature and value. Entropy in terms of temperature and value. So this here we using Maxwell thermodynamic first equation and thermodynamic second equation, and here we have to substitute PV equal to RT equation. PV equal to RT equation, we have to substitute P value, then we get this change equation. Next, so this is entropy in terms of temperature and value. Next, so this is thermodynamic first equation, this is thermodynamic second equation. So in dq plus t into ds and du plus c suffix v into dt and dw plus p into dv. This is the equation. So when ds equal to, we get c suffix v into dt by t plus p into dv. So p by t into ds. This is considered equation 1. So in equation 1, we have to substitute another value. So PV equal to RT, PV equal to RT. So here we have to express entropy in terms of temperature and pressure. Temperature and pressure. So we eliminate V or dV from equation 1. V or dV from equation 1. Then PV equal to RT, P into, differentiate this equation, P into dV plus V into dP equal to R into dt. R into dt. So P into dV equal to R into dt minus V into dP. Then dV equal to R dt minus V dP by P. So this is the dV value. So this dV value substitute in equation 1. Substitute in equation 1. Here dV value, here we have to substitute this value. Then we get ds equal to c suffix v into dt by t plus p by t into what is the dV value? R into dt minus v into dp by p. Then here pp get cancelled. P get cancelled. Then we get ds equal to c suffix v into dt by t plus r into dt by t minus v into dp by t. So here we have three terms. We have to simplify that equation. For that we have to substitute another value. What is the relation we have? Capital R equal to C suffix V minus C suffix V. Capital R equal to C suffix P minus C suffix V. So substitute value. Then from C suffix V equal to, we can write capital R minus C suffix P. Capital R minus C suffix P. Substitute this value in this equation. We get ds equal to capital R into C suffix P into dt by t, dt by t plus R into dt by t minus v into dp by t. So here C suffix V equal to C suffix P minus R. C suffix P minus R. So C suffix P minus R. So this minus R value and plus R value get cancelled. ds equal to C suffix P dt by t. So here minus V by t. Minus V by t. So PV equal to RT. Then V by T equal to R by P. Substitute that value. We get R by P into dP. Integrate within the limits. Then we get S suffix F minus S suffix I equal to C suffix P into log Tf by Ti base E minus R log Pf by Pi base E. Base E convert into base 10, then we get S suffix F minus S suffix I equal to 2.3026 into C suffix P log Tf by Ti base 10 minus R into log Pf by Pi base 10. So this is the entropy change in terms of temperature and pressure. In terms of temperature and pressure. Next, to express entropy in terms of pressure and value, we eliminate T from equation 1. Here we have to eliminate T. Then we get entropy in terms of pressure and value. For that, PV equal to RT, PV equal to RT, then T equal to PV by R. So we have to substitute dt value. For that, differentiate this equation. Dt equal to, so here uv differentiation p into dv plus v into dp by r. So this dt value substitute in this place, we get ds equal to c suffix v into, what is the dt value, by v, sorry, by t into dt value. What is the dt value? P into dv plus v into dp by r plus p by t into dv. Next, so ds equal to c suffix v into p into dv plus c suffix v into dp by rt plus p by t into dv. So we know that relation capital R equal to c suffix p minus c suffix v. So before that, here we have to substitute RT plus PV in RT plus PV. Next here we have P by T, P by T. So PV equal to RT, then P by T equal to, we can write R by V, R by V. So here we get R by V. Next, so before substitute this relation, we get ds equal to c suffix v into pdv by pv. We get by v into dv plus c suffix v into vv get cancelled by p into dp plus capital R by v into dv. Then here we have to substitute c suffix p minus c suffix v relation. Because here we have to get entropy in terms of pressure and value. Pressure and volume only. Then here c suffix v value ds equal to c suffix v equal to c suffix p minus r by v into dv plus c suffix v by p into dp plus capital R by v into dv. ds equal to, so c suffix p by v into dv minus r by v into dv plus c suffix v into p into dp plus r by v into dv. So r by v, one is positive term and another one is negative term. We get ds equal to c suffix p by v into dv plus c suffix v by p into dp. Integrate that equation. Integrate that equation within the limits. We get s suffix f minus s suffix I equal to c suffix p log v f by v I base e plus c suffix v log p f by p I base e. S suffix f minus s suffix I equal to, so base e converted into base 10, we get 2.3026 into c suffix p log v f by v I base 10 plus c suffix v into log p f by p I base 10. This is entropy in terms of pressure and value. So this is entropy of a perfect gas equations. Change in entropy in terms of temperature pressure, change in entropy in terms of temperature pressure, and change in entropy in terms of pressure and value. Next, change of entropy, change of entropy, change of entropy when ice changes into, when ice changes into steam. So here we shall find an expression for the change of entropy when milligram of ice at T1 Kelvin changes into steam at T2 Kelvin. Here what we find, here we have to find an expression for the change of entropy when milligram of ice, when milligram of ice at T1 Kelvin changes into steam at T2 Kelvin. Let here we have to consider L1 and L2. L1 and L2 be the latent heats of fusion and vaporization. Latent heats of fusion and vaporization respectively. So first point in this. First of all, milligram ice at T1 Kelvin changes into water at T1 Kelvin. There is no change in temperature. The change in entropy is given by delta S1 equal to m into L1 by T1. So this is when milligram ice at T1 Kelvin changes into water at T1 Kelvin. There is no change in temperature. So the change in entropy we can write delta S1 equal to mL1 by T1. Secondly, milligram water at T1 Kelvin changes into water at T2 Kelvin. The change of entropy is given by delta S2 value, that is delta S2 value. So delta S2 equal to integration T1 to T2 limits dq by d. We get mc dt by t, integration T1 to T2. Then we get m into c log T2 by T1 base e.